What challenges are we facing today? What changes do we need to make? What can clean energy bring us?
The company started 10 years ago with a mission to deliver clean energy affordably to everyone in Asia.
Singapore's Sunseap Group chose Huawei Fusion Solar and built one of the world's largest offshore floating solar photovoltaic systems in the Straits of Johor. The offshore floating solar photovoltaic system is designed with a sturdy constant tension mooring system that can withstand changing weather conditions, thereby maintaining the stability of the platform and all operating equipment.
The design is modular. We put them up together like Lego pieces. A lot of attention is put into making sure that everything is being pieced together properly and to limit the movement between the floating platform and the floating barge. The advantage of Huawei string inverter, it allows us to install the inverter directly onto the floating platform. This minimizes the DC cable losses. It also eliminates the requirement of having a separate floating platform to house the inverters.
Prior to the IV functions, our team has to diagnose the farm physically on site, which is pretty time-consuming. Fortunately, with the help of IV function provided by Huawei, we are able to diagnose the farm with just a few clicks, and the best part is we can also do it remotely without going to the site. We are all humbled by how both the marine and solar knowledge integrate with each other. To be able to learn from the marine expert and integrate both the knowledge is indeed one of our greatest achievements. We have a great team who grinds day and night just to piece everything together to make the farm a success.
The Green Plan from the Singapore government is a strong commitment against climate change. It signifies that whatever we have today as incumbent will change. We are 97% powered by natural gas today. I think this fossil fuel base will be replaced by clean energy. This floating 5 megawatt that we have here is really a baby step forward to achieve zero carbon climate goals. 2021 is the 20th anniversary of Huawei in Singapore. Huawei has become a household name among many Singaporeans, not just in the telecoms sector, but I hope that in future, Huawei will continue to develop the clean energy landscape here in Singapore.